little fish. Why are you looking at me? Wait, sit here and watch Haji eat. Ya Allah, Ya Khaliq. Let me tell you something. When you enter Jannah, first food Allah will provide will be the fish. This is the first time in my life Haji trying this type of food. Bengali brothers, this one for you. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Look at that. Mashallah. Seafood boy. موت يا السمك. Look at that. Ya Allah. How you eat this one? Mashallah. One egg. Wallah, even the egg tastes good. What is this piece? Juicy. Look at that. Mashallah, Mashallah. You little fish. Why are you looking at me? Wait, sit here and watch Haji eat. Buddy, I'm eating your friend now. It's creamy, it's buttery, it's juicy. Look at the drip. You think Haji is done? Haji not done yet.